They do a lot of noise. I drink tea in the morning. So these are the examples of the sentences which you might have spoken in your day-to-day life sometime, somewhere, right? But do you know that these sentences have some words which can be replaced with more appropriate words? So these are just two examples, but there are so many words which are commonly misused. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshul. Welcome to Explore More and Learn. So today I'll talk about some commonly misused words in English. And if you are a non-native speaker, then unknowingly you use them without knowing. So in this video today, you'll come to know about such kind of words. Okay, so let's start this video quickly. So the first sentence is, she did a mistake by not joining this company. So which word can be replaced here with an appropriate word? I'll tell you, she did a mistake. So here you will replace did with made. Okay, so we don't use do or did when we are talking about a mistake. Okay, if it is does, then it is makes. If it is did in simple past, then it will be in simple past. So she made a mistake. Okay, she made a mistake by not joining this company. This is the correct sentence. Now the next sentence, she eats her medicine after breakfast. So what can be replaced here? Just replace eats with takes. Okay, so the correct sentence will be, she takes her medicine after breakfast. Now the next sentence, some boys were beating the door. They did a lot of noise. So here, which word can be replaced? Beating the door will be replaced with banging at the door. Okay, so some boys were banging at the door. Now they did a lot of noise. So what will be the appropriate sentence? In place of they did a lot of noise, you will say they made a lot of noise. Okay, now the next sentence, I can't solve your family issue. Here you will replace solve with resolve. So you will say, I can't resolve your family issue. So what do you solve? You solve some puzzles, maths problems, okay, or any question. But you resolve some conflicts, quarrels, or fights. So I can't resolve your family issue. Can you open the fan? Now what will you say here? Can you switch on the fan? So these are very small things which you have to work upon. Okay, very small words. Just replace them. They will sound better. Now another sentence. My mom is seeing her favorite show on television. Now in place of seeing, you will say my mom is watching her favorite show on television, because you watch television. Okay, so in place of seeing, you will say watching. Now slow down the voice of your TV. Now what will you replace here? Slow down the volume of your TV. So these are very common mistakes, you can say, which we make, okay, while we speak in English. Now another sentence. He took 100 rupees from her to buy a book. So which word you will replace here? He borrowed 100 rupees from her to buy a book. Okay, so take or borrow, you have to think about it. Now the next sentence, she is calling selected guests for the party. What will you replace here? She is inviting selected guests for the party. Okay, so in place of calling, the appropriate word will be she is inviting selected guests for the party. You got it? So there are so many other words which are commonly misused. So if you have other examples, then you give your examples in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. To improve your English, then don't forget to press the community tab. Okay, there I keep on posting quizzes or English tests that will help you improve your English. Alright, so press the bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe it and like it, and don't forget to share. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.